Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check your carrier account for balance, contract end date, or early termination fees so there are no surprises. Next, back up your iPhone to iCloud or iTunes, and then find and copy the IMEI from Settings General about You'll Need It. Once done, contact your current carrier to request device unlock if it's locked. Make sure they confirm eligibility and provide the expected unlock timeline. You now move into activation. Get your new carrier's SIM card or eSIM QR code and keep the old SIM for reference. If using a physical SIM, use the eject tool, insert the new SIM, and if using eSIM, open Settings Cellular, add cellular plan, then scan the QR code. Once you follow the carrier's on-screen activation prompts or app steps, restart the iPhone. Make sure to check signal bars, and you finish by confirming settings. Label the cellular plan, verify voicemail, and check APN and data settings for proper tethering or MMS. Make sure any carrier settings updates are installed. If the phone prompts, accept the profile. If things go wrong, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone reset, then retry activation. If that fails, call both carriers with your IMEI and account details so they can trace provisioning issues and complete the switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.